Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia X30 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system. Now let's tap on languages and input and enter languages. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all previously added languages. We've got English and Spanish. So let's pick another one. So let's tap on add a language, and here we will be transferred to the list of available languages from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick maybe French, just tap, and depending of course on the language, you will sometimes be able to pick the region. So let me pick France. And as you can see, the French language has been immediately applied to this list, but the English is still a main one. So in order to actually set the French language, you have to switch it to the first position, because on the first position we've got the default language. So in order to do that, you have to tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the very first position. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again, because I'm not really good at French. So let me tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the first position. And as you can see, again, English. If you want to remove the languages from this list because you're no longer using them, then simply tap on the three dots icon. Hello? Three dots icon, and tap on remove. And now we can mark the languages you'd like to delete and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove. And as you can see, we've got only English left. So basically that's all. This is how to change system language in your Nokia X30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.